Meaning of depersonalize.
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 Depersonalize. Depersonalize means to remove or detach oneself from emotional involvement or personal identity in a situation. The result of depersonalizing is that an individual may view a situation more objectively, without their personal biases or emotions overshadowing their judgment. By reducing their attachment to the situation, people can make more rational decisions and communicate more effectively. Depersonalizing can be a helpful tool in situations such as conflict resolution, difficult conversations, and decision-making processes, as it allows individuals to approach situations with a clearer mindset and make better choices.